In this chapter, students will learn to create and color different objects which we see around us using a computer. So let's begin. First activity is drawing colorful shapes. For this, open the Blender software and select the General mode. By default, you will see this cuboid shape in the Blender, which you can delete by taking the cursor on it, selecting it and holding Shift+X key, then click on the Delete option. Now to add different shapes, press and hold Shift+A key. From the drop-down options, select the first option, Mesh, and select Cylinder Shape from the list. To color this shape, go to the Material Properties right side under the Properties pane, and into Material Properties click on New. Then select the Use Node option, and now click on the Diffuse Color bar which is just beside the base color. After clicking on the bar, the color wheel will appear. Now click on the RGB. We want to color our cylinder red in color. So we'll double-click on R and put their value as 1, and on G and B we will put the value as 0. And done, we have our red color cylinder shape. Let's draw the cone by the same method. Press and hold Shift+A and select the cone shape. This cone shape is hidden behind the cylinder. So we will have to move either cone or cylinder aside. Let's move cone aside. For this, first we have to select the cone from the outliner pane like this. Now go to the Object Properties. Under Location option there is X, Y and Z options for which values are 0. Now change the X value to any number as you wish. I am changing it to 5. Now this has moved the cone aside of the cylinder. Now let's color this cone yellow. For this I am making R and G value as 1 and B value as 0. Now let's draw blue color UV sphere. So press Shift+A and add the UV sphere like this. I am shifting it in Y direction by changing its Y value under Object Properties to -5. Let's color it blue in color by keeping its R and G values as 0 and making blue value 1. Done. We have created 3 different shapes.